Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make easy chocolate chip muffins. Now everyone loves chocolate chip muffins and they are the perfect treat to whip up after a rough day. So let's get started. Now beat butter and sugar in a mixing bowl using a hand mixer. Now beat this until nice and creamy. So somewhere about 2 to 3 minutes. And remember, your butter should be softened at room temperature. Do not forget to scrape the sides. So once the butter and sugar mixture is done, we are going to add eggs into this. And then we are going to beat this again, but just for a few seconds. And now into this I'm going to add baking powder and vanilla extract, and then I'm going to beat this again for about half a minute. So now is the time to add our flour, but before that I'll just scrape the sides. And now I'm going to add half of the flour that I'm going to use in this recipe. And I'll give it a quick mix again with my hand mixer, just for a few seconds. That's it. So now we are going to keep our hand mixer aside and we are going to use our spatula for rest of the mixing. So scraping the sides once again. And now into this I'm going to add half a cup of milk. And I'm going to gently mix this in. Now add the remaining flour and again gently stir it in. Do not overmix. Now mix until you stop seeing the flour. So enough of the mixing. And now into this I am going to add the last ingredient and the main one, that is our chocolate chips. I'm keeping some of the chocolate chips for garnishing purpose. Just fold them in. Now at this stage I'm going to preheat my oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to transfer the batter into the muffin liners. So with the help of an ice cream scoop, I'm going to fill the muffin liners almost all the way to the top. So sprinkle some choco chips on the top. Now this is just for your eyes, it looks really beautiful to see the choco chips over a muffin tops. So now bake this at 220 degree oven for about 7 minutes first, and then for rest of the 15 to 18 minutes lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. So overall you have to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, but keep a check over your muffins because everyone's oven is different, and just keep a check after about 13 to 14 minutes. and you have to bake this until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Our muffins are done now. Now let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before tasting them. The muffins are cool now and I'll just show you how they look like from inside. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and follow for more such dessert recipes that you can easily make at home. So see you soon with a new video. Until then, enjoy!